Hi, my name's Jarrod, and welcome to Long Distance Cooking. This is my last long distance cooking in Korea. Whoa, don't worry. It's not my last episode ever, just the last one in Korea. I still got more in the bank. Yes! As a favor to my Scottish friend, let's call him JD. I'm making haggis. Why? Because he brought me a can of haggis from back home and he dared me to make an episode about it. You will need 1 can of haggis, regular or premium. Haggis in the can, haggis in the pot. The hell? Haggis in the pot. Oh God. Oh, haggis in the pot. Oh God, what is this? Haggis in the pot. Oh God, no. Oh JD, what's wrong with you people? Heat gently, stirring occasionally until warmed through. Good advice. Hear that fat cooking. Yeah, fat cook fat. And if you want, add some spice to it, cause you know, it's from the UK. Hey-oh! For a real Scottish flavour. I'm serious, this is exactly what it says. Add a wee dram of whiskey before serving. And just to be different, I'm going to serve this over a bed of couscous, because I have it still left over from episode 6. Hey David, how do I make this again?
Way to make perfect couscous. 2 parts couscous, 1 part water, boiling water, turn off the gas, pour in the couscous, and a stir. Throw in just a dash of olive oil. Bob's your uncle. That's a sexy piece of couscous.
Well, there you have it. Welcome to your new home haggis. Oh God. Haggis in the bowl now, haggis in my mouth. It tastes like a Scotsman had sex with hamburger. Oh, there's the spices I put in you. But damn, it's not bad.
Maybe I'd be better off in Texas. Maybe I'd be better off alone. Maybe I'd be better off in jail. Maybe I'd find myself a home where I've been trolling the trailer parks at night, just trying to be somebody's wife.
Well, from the last time in Korea, from the bottom of my heart, 안녕히계세요, and I'll see you next time on Long Distance Cooking.
Oh, maybe if I open up a beer with my jaw, I can find a man who'll take me to Arkansas. Well, maybe I'd be better off in Texas. Maybe I'd be better off alone. Maybe I'd be...
I'm gonna hold it as long as you want.